In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Uber app on your iPhone with this easy walkthrough. Whether you're gearing up for your first Uber ride or simply switching devices, getting this essential app installed is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to find your way to the App Store. Look for the familiar blue icon with the stylized A on your iPhone's home screen and give it a tap. This will open up the vast library of applications available for download. Once you're inside the App Store, use the search bar at the bottom of the screen. You'll usually see it labeled with a small magnifying glass and the word search. Go ahead and tap on that to bring up the search field. In the search bar, type in Uber and hit the search button on the keyboard. You'll likely see a list of results, but what you're looking for is the official Uber app, easily identifiable by its black and white logo. Once you've found it, give the app listing a tap. This will open up the app's page where you can see screenshots, read reviews, and find detailed information about what the app offers. Now, it's time to download. Look for the button which says Get, or may sometimes show a cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. Tap it. You may be prompted to authenticate this download using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password. This step ensures that your download is secure. Once authenticated, you'll notice the Get button changes to a spinning wheel, which indicates that your app is downloading. While you're waiting for the app to download, here's a bit about why Uber is so handy. The app is a popular choice for those seeking convenient, on-demand transportation, eliminating the need to hail a cab in the rain or route through your wallet for cash. With the download complete, you should see Open in place of the spinning wheel. Tap Open to launch the Uber app for the first time. You'll be welcomed with a quick tour of the app's features. The app may also request access permissions for your location and notifications. Enabling these can improve the app's accuracy for pickups and keep you informed about your ride status. That's it. The Uber app is now ready for you to explore. Set up your profile by following the on-screen instructions like adding a payment method and verifying your email. Before long, you'll be requesting rides with ease. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of Uber. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tutorials.